He wrote, God, give me faith, courage, strength and peace of the mind. Give me the will and the power to do good to others. Dr. Mukherjee lived his life according to those noble sentiments and aspirations till his last breath. These are the words spoken by educationist, visionary and the founder of Bharatiya Janata Sangh, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. He was born on July 6, 1901 in Calcutta. He left for England in 1926 to study at Lincoln's Inn and became the barrister at law in 1927. At the age of 33, he became the youngest Vice-Chancellor of the University of Calcutta and held the office till 1938. Shyama Prasad started his political career in a small way in 1929, when he entered the Bengal Legislative Council as a Congress candidate representing Calcutta University. But in real sense, he started his political career in 1938 to ignite love and sense of sacrifice into the minds of fellow countrymen towards motherland. On the instance of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Gandhi ji, he agreed to join India's first cabinet led by Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He held the important portfolios like industry and supply.
उन्होंने स्पष्ट किया था कि भारत के नौजवानों को विज्ञान तकनोलॉजी की शिक्षा अनिवार्य है। वे भारतीय राष्ट्रीय साइंस कांग्रेस के संस्थापक अध्यक्षों में से एक थे और महात्मा गांधी के कहने पर पंडित नेहरू के प्रथम राष्ट्रीय कैबिनेट में वे भारत के प्रथम उद्योग मंत्री बने। जितने आज उद्योगों का एक हम अधिष्ठान देखते हैं, उसकी नींव डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी के कार्यकाल में ही रखी गई थी।
Being a member of Constituent Assembly from Bengal and also cabinet minister, Shyama Prasad soon established a unique position for himself in the Indian political system. Mukherjee founded the Bharatiya Janata Sangh on 21st of October 1951 in Delhi.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी या उस समय भारतीय जनसंघ के संस्थापक श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी के जन्मदिन को हम सही मायनों में तभी सफलता के साथ मना सकते हैं जब उनके द्वारा जो सपने देखे गए थे, जो देश की संपन्नता, देश की समृद्धि, देश में राष्ट्रवाद और देश को एक सशक्त और समृद्ध देश बनाने का सपना। आज हमें इस बात की खुशी है कि श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में जो केंद्र में सरकार है, वो श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी के सपनों के साकार करने के लिए कृत संकल्प है।
He opposed the Indian National Congress's decision to grant Kashmir a special status with its own flag and Prime Minister. In opposition to this, he said, a single country cannot have two constitutions, two Prime Ministers and two national emblems. He termed the arrangement under Article 370 as the Balkanistan of India. Mukherjee went to visit Kashmir in 1953 illegally and observed a hunger strike to protest the law that prohibited Indian citizens from settling in a state within their own country and mandated that they carry I cards. He was arrested on 11th May while crossing the border into Kashmir. Although the ID card rule was revoked owing to his efforts, he died as a Bethau on 23rd of June 1953 under mysterious circumstances. Perhaps it was Mukherjee's martyrdom which later compelled Nehru to remove the permit system, the post of Sardar-e-Riyasat and the post of Prime Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. Bureau Report, DD News.